Today we're going to be going over a problem about how a ball drops. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. A ball falls down from a height of 70 meters. How long does it take for the ball to reach the ground? So let's go ahead and draw a diagram. So have a height of 70 meters. This will be our delta y. And a ball is up here and it's falling down here to the ground. So we need to know the time that it takes for that. So let's go ahead and write the variables that we know. We know our delta y, that's 70 meters. We also know our velocity initial will be 0 meters per second. And then our acceleration will just be the acceleration due to gravity, which will be 9.8 meters per second squared. And another thing is time. But time, that's what we're solving for, so we don't know it. So we need to find an equation that has all of these variables in it. One equation that we can use is the displacement equation, which would be your change in distance equals 1/2 your acceleration times time squared plus your velocity initial times time. Now that we have that, we can just plug in our numbers. So delta y will be 70 meters equals 1/2. Our acceleration will be 9.8 meters per second squared times time, which we don't know, so we'll just leave it as t squared, plus our velocity initial, which is 0 meters per second, times time, which again we don't know, so we'll put it as a t. Now this right here will just become 0 no matter what time it is, so we're just going to cross that out, equals 0. And then this right here, we can multiply 1/2 times 9.8 and we get that equals 4.9 meters per second squared. Now if we divide by 4.9 meters per second on both sides, we'll get 14.285 seconds squared, because these meters will cancel out and the second squareds will come up, equals t squared. Now to get t by itself, we'll just take the square root of both sides. We get the square root of 14.285 seconds squared equals t. And the square root of that is 3.8 seconds equals t. And that is our solution. Thank you guys for stopping by. Please like if you liked the video, and have a nice day.